Since this is a virtual trade show, we'd like to show you some parts virtually. So here are some of our springs. We have some compression springs, we have some torsion springs, along with some wire forms, and some custom spring assemblies that we've done. So this particular spring is used in a device for drug-coated balloons. This particular spring is for an R&D project right now for mitral valve treatment.
We have a variety of coiling machines and CNC machines that can make all different kinds of springs and wire forms to pretty much any configuration.
A coil count can be important with regards to how much stiffness you're looking to have the spring exert. This was another R&D project where we coiled the spring and then performed the assembly in-house as well, developed fixturing to perform this assembly.
As far as material, we usually specialize in stainless steel, music wire, pretty much any other material that our customers are interested in. We make medical grade stampings. We have both power press and 4-slide machines to make the stamped parts. We can do parts from about 4 inches down to about this size and sometimes even smaller.
We have 4-slide as well as progressive die presses. We also support those machines with our in-house tooling that allow us to maintain competitive lead times while also proactively ensuring that those tools are kept at the highest possible quality.
We have great customer service. We have a very good R&D department, an engineering department.
The benefit with 4-slide is that it's a very competitive tooling cost. It's still able to yield those exact tolerances that are so often a requirement for these medical devices. The goal for ACME MONACO is to minimize handling, which in turn minimizes cost for the customer.
Sometimes we'll modify their design a little bit, just such that it is manufacturable or can be manufactured for less money. It's very important to save customers money. They always want to have the best product for the least price.